Welcome to Fishbone Off-Roads Instructional on how to remove Chevy GMC's 2016 to 18 1500 front and rear bumper. Starting with the front, Step 1. With a clip remover tool, remove the body clips retaining your radiator shroud. And remove it. With a 10mm socket, remove the 4 bolts retaining the front of the grille. Step 2. The front of the grille is held down by 2 tab clips. Pry these 2 tabs up over the retaining lips and remove the grille. Step 3. With an 18mm socket, remove the 4 top frame bolts retaining your bumper. Followed by disconnecting your sensor's power harness. Next, just in front of each wheel well is a support bracket. Disconnect them from the bumper with a 15mm socket. Freeing the bumper. The tow hooks can be removed with a 15mm socket and 2 18mm sockets. Moving on to the rear. Step 1. The hitch is secured by 2 rails. Follow the rails and with the 21mm socket and wrench, remove the 3 bolts and nuts on each rail. Step 2. With an 18mm socket, remove the 2 nuts from the sides of each rail. followed by popping out and disconnecting your trailer plug, and unplugging its power harness. Finally, with a 15mm socket and the help of a friend, remove the remaining bolt on each side of the rail and remove the bumper. Note that the bed may need to be loosened and lifted to remove the bumper. And you're done.